The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2023 Toyota Tundra with short bed. We've just installed the Retrax Pro XR retractable bed cover. So this is the aluminum model with the XR rail. That XR rail has a special T-slot that allows the attachment of different accessories. So the cover itself comes with locks and is easy to operate. Does a great job at keeping the weather out. There's a little bit of modification to the truck at the front drain holes. The two of them need to be enlarged to accept the wider diameter drain tubes. Otherwise, attachment is pretty straightforward to the factory Retrax system that's already installed on your composite bed Tundra. So back to the XR rail. Whether you have the intention of putting racks on there now or not, it's a little bit more, but it's a wise purchase. Because doing so sets you up for the future in case you ever need to add a rack system to it down the road. You're already set up. You're not having to remove the cover, buy a new cover, or buy new rails, any of that jazz. So highly recommend it. This is our shop favorite bed cover, and just really smooth operation. Again, does a great job of keeping elements out and keeping gear secure. So this is a quick little walk around. For more details, pricing, availability, and easy ordering, just follow the link in the description below. That'll take you back to our website where you can see all that good information and purchase this cover with just a couple clicks. So any questions, feel free to reach out to us, but that's it for this one. And like always, thanks for watching.